All abafethu, this is your boy, I'm King Shamase, this is Danko Diski podcast show. Niyazi kabanzi ukuthi hosta uVKG. Namhlanje ke mina obambile guys, nami sengingenile kulezi zebhola. But kancane nje with your guidance ngiphethe nabantu abamkantshubovu la we are back again with the legendary uSicelo Zuma umsholozi manikhumbula ke he was the first to have this show ekuqaleni ihostwe uyena uVKG. So we understand ukuthi right now we have ama followers amasha nama viewers amasha angazi lutho. Ngicela nje ubaba uSicelo introduce asinikeze nje a bit of his background ukuthi ubani umsholozi.
Ngiyabonga unjani ngibingelele kakhulu Shamase ngibingelele futhi no VK ngiyabonga kakhulu kuyintokozo kumina ukuthi after so long sesibona iprogress engaka it's touching abantu bathola izindaba ezi right babona izinto ezi right so lokho kuyabonisa iresearch eniyenzayo nathi kusibiza kwenu sibonga kakhulu. Igama lami uSicelo Zuma. I used to be I'm a former player wama team amaningi la kwaZulu. Ngiyangithanda ukuqala ekuqaleni ukuthi mina uSicelo Zuma usuka kuphi. uSicelo Zuma usuka eHowick emakhaya impela nje emakhaya emaplazini. So umuntu osuka emaplazini fanele athembe ahlale nethemba ukuthi ngoba lo wakwenza kwenzeka nami ngakwenza. Ngiye ngithi engane encane lezi manje ngizitshele ngithi zine talent elikhulu kunathi thina besinenhliziyo besinothando siyazi ukuthi ibhola lingasibekelani ingakho ngithi namanje ababuyisele lo thando. So iDiski TV izosisiza leyo ukuthi sikwazi ukulekeleleka in terms of lezi zinto lezi esizokhuluma ngazo zizobanceda kakhulu abantu. So ngiyabonga kakhulu kuba ingxenye yale show and nginethemba elikhulu ukuthi njengoba abantu beqhubeka besibheka besilalela nathi sizoloku siqhubeka sibaneka indaba ezemright and bakwazi nokuwina iHollywood.
Thank you so much Msholozi. Mhlambe mangaphinde ngithi nje kancane ngicathi izinto ezisalile. You are a coach professionally. Mhlambe iziphi ezinye izinto engicabanga ukuthi kumele bazazi abantu out there nokuthi bangakusebenzisa kanjani.
Okay, uSicelo Zuma uyi coach ngizothi professional coach because nama badge oko coach apart from playing football but nama badge. So uSicelo Zuma also wenza ama coaching clinic. He also is uSicelo Zuma is a professional scout. I'm in level 5 with scouting. I can scout, I can analyze, I can see players ukuthi lo uzokwazi ukwenza grade. I can even improve players as well in the process. And also into enye engiyenzayo kai organize events. I'm into that and namengazi ukuthi ngakwazi organize ama event kodwa manje ngofa organize ama event ngaba webhola ngaba wani ama event niyazi kwa organize. So ukuthi okwamanje into esigcina kuyona kakhulu ke nama coaching clinic as I've been mentioning kodwa futhi ngirana ne program yeSicelo Sports iSicelo Sports Skills nasaqala ngo 2015 kodwa 2016 initially esesishola ukuthi yilezo zinto engizenzayo ngisebenza nezikole whereby also I'm a coach kwezinye izikole and also apart from that umuntu aphinda abe ne business le embroidery libalekile nabalazi emakhaya ukuthi we trying ukuze bakwazi ukwenza embroidery la khona sikwazi ukubhala khona ama page esenza khona zonke izinto so abantu basilandele kakhulu kulezo zinto esizenzayo sizenzela ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi enegcineni kosuku sibuyisele back ebholeni. Yes, ama fans ukubuyisela back ebholeni.
Exactly. Now siyabonga kakhulu Msholozi ngizwile lapha uthinte lokanalyze ama analysis. Sisalapho nje ake singene ebholeni la ekhaya kanobhutshuza eSouth Africa. Angifuna ukubuza ukuthi usupporta yiphi team but ngizokuthatha nje uhleli la njengomuntu professionally ongathathi ihlangothi. Siyabona lapha yani iqalile isizini we see Kaizer Chiefs struggling of course but ke mhlawumbe you can tell us ukuthi kwenzakalani. How do you see ukuthi kwi management eKaizer Chiefs beyithini ngoba bawini there's a lot happening, they don't even have a coach currently.
Ngiyawubonga kakhulu umbuzo Shamas. I think i Chiefs for mina is one team that we need as a country. Is one team that we need as a country ukuthi ikwazi ukubuya kule yanto yabo but okwamanje ngicabanga basazifuna nabo. Ngiye ngithi mina kunzima ke uma ngabe uzifuna mase kuba ne pressure so for mina bengizothi mhlawumbe abalandeli abaxegise kancane ukuba nama expectation amakhulu mase bayiyeke bayialawe isa kwi building process ngoba akusincede ukuthi uma ngabe besabuilda mase siyabajudge. I will say Chiefs with no doubt anyone a footballer like we country iyafisa ukudlala leya team, but I feel like there is something that is happening mawusungene ngaphakathi that makes you not to perform. So ingakho bengizothi mina abalandeli abazame ukuthi ba encourage kakhulu lama players mabe e stadium ukuthi ipressure abanayo ithathwe ibona abalandeli ngoba kunzima ukudlalela iChiefs. So ingakho ngithi mhlambe kumina bengizothi bane progress encane kule season, but akufani na last season. Uma ubuka bayazama nokuthola ama players okunzima manje uzibuza umbuzo oyi1 Chamas kungekwe Chiefs ukuthi ayikho player le country engafisa ukudlalela iChiefs with impatho with everything abanayo, but uzibuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani manje wonke ama players ayibuke iChiefs as into esizoya last kuyona. I believe ukuthi ambition yeChiefs has changed. iChiefs club yawina kakhulu ama cup yasiyabona ukuthi ku enough. So manje lama cup akhona mhlawumbe abanayo ihanga yokuthi baphinde bawina for good reason I don't know, but I will say mina ukuthi ama players manje afeel ukuthi mayidlalela iChiefs they are taking 10 step back ngokuwina izinto ngoba iChiefs is not ambitious to win. Angazi kanjani ngoba iChiefs is culture was winning, but manje ingathi iChiefs sithi I know akwenzeke nje whatever. So kodwa mina bengizothi into enkinga kakhulu kwiChiefs ama expectation afanele vele ukuba njalo ngecaliber yeChiefs, kodwa bengizothi ngendlela manje ekwenza ngakhona abakayi bathi abalandeli but no, let's support the team when they are not doing well, when they are doing well, and also let's support the team basically because we want to see them progressing, especially so that they can be able to introduce the youngsters, because that's how football is turning out to be now. But if they introduce youngsters, then these youngsters, they have been bullied and whatnot, so which means these players are not going to be expressing what they know. So that's why I'm saying that we need to give the Chiefs a chance to rebuild and send the show support abalandeli in that point. I believe they will turn the corner eventually, but if given a chance. Yes.
So masibuka usuchazile Msholozi buka iperformance eKaizer Chiefs after ixosha ucoach and during ukhona ucoach. What do you say about that?
Yazi besihleli namajita sathi Chiefs was doing not so well under coach, the head coach, but not because of these players were not the same players, but I feel like Messi Kambu coach aba players at sifuna ukubonisa. But look at the second game or third game after coach Yambile, they went back to the routine way the coach was. So I'm saying it's inconsistent as well to our players. They will only play when it suits them. They don't want to be consistent. But I will say angazi that uyibuka kanjani. I will say mina if mina ngihamba nawe endaweni mase siba nephutha lokuthi team is not performing when kuthiwa hamba nami I will go, because unless I won't go if bengikutshela izinto mase wena ube arrogant of those things. But I believe football, it doesn't need that. It needs us to be united. So if one fails, we fail as a team, so that we can all go, so that the next person can come and nabantu bakhe and do well. But I'm just saying, for me, I don't see there's any change with Chiefs. There is no change. But there is a change. Ngoba, you're not looking at deeper. But for me, I would say there's no change. There was just that thing, Coach Wambile, and then it's Mina Buffett, and it's Misel. But Messi used what this guy has gone. We are back into a Libes con. Yeah.
I was shy. That's why you are here for a reason, so that uzosinikeza an extra view ukuthi thina sibuka kanjani zabalandeli. Mhlambe go to imbangi zaye umtawonge ezaziwayo which is Orlando Pirates. Mhlambe la khona touch base kulolu daba nje olisanda kwenzeka. Ngiyazi iningi izinto, they've signed a lot of new young fresh players. But ake sikhuluma indaba yeCAF Confed njoba bephumile. What do you say about behavior mhlambe nolwazi lakho mayelana neCAF? You saw abomakoko ukuthi bekwenzakalani. Take us through about analysis yakho.
I think I wish I could have played the CAF. I didn't. Asizange sibe nalo nhlande second season. But what I'm saying ukuthi laphana it's mental. It's more mental than playing. I still believe with the Pirates were unfortunate. I won't say they were robbed. I will say they were unfortunate in bewodlala away, but they showed us. Pirates is a really good team. I mean, like for me, I will say they were just unfortunate that on penalties they couldn't win it. But if ubuka Pirates, I think wonke umuntu okade buka ibhola will say no, Pirates ngeke ibuye ku 3-0, but they did. And for me, that was the win and a half. And I feel like ukuthi but ICAF needs to do something about the behavior of about certain players. I won't say names because I don't want to say that. They need to look into it because it jeopardizes the purpose of football. Football is being played to also make friends, and football is played to unite us. But you cannot do something to someone that will hurt his career and then you get away with it. It's something that it needs to be looked at because I also feel ukuthi you also undermining iBhola as someone that is paid to do iBhola. I cannot uma ngabe ngibona ukuthi these people are coming at us, then I use that mentality of saying ukuthi let me provoke and do something that is not right. For me, I believe ukuthi CAF must do something. I'm very happy with the Pirates performance. And I will say that's why I'm saying Guti Chiefs needs also to give a chance. And I think kodwa Chiefs team enkulu the same as Pirates. But I will say the difference between Chiefs and Pirates right now is that kukhona abantu Pirates that are working behind the scenes. Miyeke coach. Focus on the people that are working behind the scenes. They are very crucial. And those people, if unabo, the result won't come. But look at Pirates. They can introduce any youngster at the moment. That youngster will perform. So that's why I'm saying Uti Chiefs need just to get into the hang of things as well. But I'm truly happy with what Pirates is doing currently. And I feel Uti their supporters as well are playing a huge part in believing in what Pirates can offer. So that's why I'm saying that for me, it was a win for Pirates, although they went out. And I believe if given another chance, we Confederation Cup, about possibility because they won the cup, they will do well. But obviously, it won't be the same as the one CAF is about, because CAF is the biggest of them all. So we are just grateful to witness such a club turning into with youngsters benza kahle kanjena. Yes.
Mhlawumbe okugcina sisakuyona South African football uyibuka kanjani umjaho lo we-race? Mhlawumbe singeke sijudge ngama current results of big teams, but there is Sundowns naye nelwa ushintsho ukuthi ke isayibambile momentum yokushaya nomba, but you can tell ukuthi no, Sundowns khona into ekhona. Mhlawumbe ubona kanjani between Pirates abantu abakuyibona no Stellenbosch abalapha no Sikhukhune this season?
Mina I will give you njengoba bengisho ukuthi abantu fanele balilalele le show bayibuka because they will win some things. We must watch football with indlela ekwenzanga ngayo currently. I still this season we are witnessing the two race. Yes, Sikhukhune is coming in, but for me they don't have depth to win the league. But if Abokhopra bengalimali, but which is unlikely because of the age as well, he won't give you 30 games in a season because of his age and with his injury prone as well. But a Pirate right now, for me, I will say I will put my money at Pirates. They will win the league. They will win the league mainly because they've got the depth. They've got the coach that looks certain that he wants to believe that you guys are winners. So for me, sometimes I think there is 1 or 2 games I said before they make changes with the technical team, and it's gonna be a need logo because I feel like they've lost the momentum and what I'm not saying pushing over ukuthi coach bahambe. It's just that why I will say that is because of some other coaches who I believe were doing extremely well. They were taken out. So why would we not take out the other guy who's also not Aigabi, who's not also from Laekas? We're not discriminating, but I'm just saying if they were looking at perfection to those guys whom I believe they were doing extremely well, not putting in any names, but but I'm just saying they need to look into it because I feel like Santans has lost something like Dion and izofakaziswa yini lonto leyo ivofakaziswa ukuthi bawinile last game angisho yakhumbula, but there was a fight between the two big players. Why was that fight? Yabo ukuthi there is something that is wrong in the changing room because those players, they cannot fight in public. If you fight in public, just imagine ukuthi kwenzakalani off the scene. Ngoba kusho ukuthi there is huge things that are happening. If we see qala isivela kuphi kancane la kwi-TV.
Hey, ziyakhala msholozi. Hey, kuntswempu and sesiphuma ke kule topic ye Betway guys. Shout out to you coach ukuthi uproduce such talent. I know baningi abadlali bagcwele, but I remember khona lo kade umlethile zo motivate ingane lapha. Umfoka Ndlozi if I'm not mistaken. Ukudlula nje ukutshengisa ukuthi this guy is producing really good talent under sports skills development. Mhlambe sesiya kuyona straight ke manje. Tell us more about Pinetown Super Cup fethu eqalile iminyaka. Kwenzakalani kulonyaka sibonile kade kune junior last week if I'm not mistaken. Take us through.
Njengoba besishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi senza ama events, isicelo is partially about development. Isicelo sixosha ingane whether ingane yakwazi ukudlala noma ayikwazi ukudlala. It's the same thing when we discovered this cup. When we started this cup initially, our plans was that mind you, even uqala kwesicelo was not planned. It was like ukuthi sifuna ukuzijimisela ingane nje mase zihamba, but then ingane zagcina sezithanda kwisicelo and then isicelo that's how it started. I was saying to coaches manje ukuthi yazi ukuthi ingane yadlala la kwisicelo ivele iphenduke wonke ama team ayifuna because of idlalela isicelo for some reason I don't know why, because I believe ukuthi right now at the moment la eThekwini namaphethelo we are the best development. Asixoshi ingane senze ingane ekade ingakwazi ukudlala icompetent engane lezo nozakhe izintswembu zikwazi ukudlala. So the cup ya discover ukuthi we saw a challenge yengane ezicoachwa through the season until August. That was the first thing. The season was short. The season iqala ngoMarch iphele ngoAugust. We saw a gap lapho in between when we were analyzing. I said no, let's sit down and analyze. No, we need a cup. But this cup fanele iqale under 11. Fanele ibe ne plan. Fanele iqale under 11, is under 13, is under 16. Initially we wanted under 10. It's 13, it's 16, it's 19. Our main reason was that sifuna ukuthi uShama semefika nengane zakhe angazicoach as advice. Ubezicoacha isizini yonke. But manje njengoba seziza la, let them enjoy. Let them dribble. Laba bazodribble, let them dribble. Ububa coacher is so that you can see next year where they progressing. But mainly why we did it because we're not only focusing on the isiZulu. We need to divert because we have followers that will follow us that doesn't understand isiZulu. We need to make sure that they understand. So what was happening is that when we were discovering, we said no, it must be 3 years. The boy at his Pinetown Super Cup, he must play at least 3 years. So the boy that was playing for under 11, he must be 9 years old, he must be 10. If he's 11, he must be 11, but he must be not many players that are 11 playing. Because we don't want those players to move without understanding the first. We did it with Hammersdale. Hammersdale, they had when we were winning the cup, we will say Shamase previously, how many players did you have? Okay, now he's got 8 players or 4 players or 5 players that started with him. He won the cup, but he was not winning the cup with different players. He won with 8 players there. They went to 12 years old or 11 years old, and then now bangena abanye but bafica laba abanye, and then what happened, they won again the cup, and then it means that he's got 5 players that have won the cup 3 times. Then it eventually it started to happen. Then Hammarsdale won 10,000 with that. They won the 20,000, and then because it's a floating cup. So KZN Academy has been winning the cup, but the problem is that every year they change the team. They don't have all the players that were playing. Maybe you'll find that they've got 2, they've got 1, they've got 3, but they've never had 8 players that are playing because they don't have the boys that are 9 years old. I'm making an example. Even in style, what is happening is that we always have maybe 4 that are playing. So our main goal is that you must understand we want to develop football through this tournament. So what is happening now is that now we've got that now we've got boys that started playing under 13 until they were under 19. Now some of them are playing for AmaZulu first team. Some of them are playing at like Usamgelo Masego, like Ubandile Ogumazulu. So when you're looking at that, Ubayanda Ogumazulu, when you're looking at all the Baninga cool, but when you're looking at that, is that Olangeli Hlong, whom they started playing at under 13 until they graduated at under 19. That's what the consistency is about. So we want to make sure that the boy graduates. He graduates under 16, now under 19, but he plays at least 2 years to 3 years in that division, so that he can grow. So this tournament is about the development, but we did it development at the highest level. So that is why we introduce it. So manje sesidiscover nje obusho kanje ngicela ukuxolisa kubalelele. So we said under that situation, let's have a tournament that will cater for under 7, under 8, under 9 and under 10. You witnessed the tournament. It was on another level. So it started when? It started 3 years ago. But you can see the progress, how it's happening. So now the team that is under Umfanuna under 9, no, under 10, he then been chosen to go and play in the under 11 tournament. So why we bridge that gap? We want to make sure that it's not about age. It's about teaching them the right things. So Abafana that are playing currently, that are going to be playing at the Pinetown Super Cup, we've got boys that are 8 years old. I mean, we've got a boy that is 7 years old who's going to be playing at under 11. So how amazing is that? It's development. So this boy, he will get a chance of playing. He's 7 years old. Just imagine. He will be playing against under 11 boys. But how much time does he have at under 11? He's got under 8. He will play when he's 8. He will play when he's 9. He will play when he's 10. Do you think when he's 10, he's going for under 11? Don't you think now he can jump and play for under 13? Don't you think when he's 10 years old, 11 years old, can he not play at under 13? So we're bridging the gap of saying that we want to see someone breaking another scale when he's 14 years old, being able to play in the PSL. I don't know if we will be still alive, but we must break that curse of saying that it's about age. It's about how much time and how much dedication the boy is, so that when that happens, you say, hey, this boy just needs 10 minutes in the PSL. 10 minutes. He's 14 most. He just needs 10 minutes. So we want to create a situation whereby parents feel that no, we want to get involved. Because that's the ultimate. We want to do some things. So Pinetown Super Cup is not just a cup. It's a cup that is got izinto that were planned in between. It's not just a cup that you will wake up and say it's a cup. Yes, everyone can do a cup, but we don't do a cup. We do a development in a cup. So ingako. So ngiyabonga nje sengisho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa kubalelele ukuthi we just wanted the point so that when they watch and listening, they know that it's not just a cup. It's about development. So if a coach is shouting at the boy in the Pinetown Super Cup, that coach can be disqualified. We don't want that. We want the coach to say, hey, my boy, you couldn't have done that. You could have done this. Because it's about these boys to express. They've been coached the entire season. Now we want advisors, the people that can then come and advise. Hey, we missed that goal. You know what you're supposed to do in that game? You're supposed to use your left instead of your right. So those are advices, because in a match, there is pressure, but we want to make sure that parents understand. Pinetown Super Cup is about development at the highest level, but we still want the boys to learn, but the coaches to advise. Yeah.
Hayi wayibeka Msholozi usalapho, and I think uhleli kuyipath 200% correct, cause mouse check manje ukade wenza example sisa kwi Betway Premiership lapha ya there's a lot of young stars abadlala ethi kumele ngabe bebedlala bemelizwe under 20
under 20.
but badlalela isquad the main
squad.
yeah izwa leyo nto so it makes sense what you are saying right now and ngibuye elikhulu lapha kwi-junior because these kids and parents support they were out even izulu belibheda I don't know how many matches abake bawadlala izulu linje ya kodwa I think such conditions kuyabaqeqesha ukuthi no ukuthi malinetha ngeke edlale you need to understand ukuthi makushiblika kunjani ukhule from there okay mhlambe manje sesibheke kulenkuluke iPinetown Super Cup ejwayelekile yenzeka ngoDecember athina amalungiselela khona how's everything going
ngithanda ukubingelela I want to thank all the teams, especially for the first time. I've been saying to other people that we were fortunate. We started this dream and we were fortunate that we've been joined by Spare with our dream, and they are making some other things possible for us in terms of understanding where Isicelo is coming from, how we're doing it. Isicelo is about family, Spare is about family. So that's the united that we wanted to bring. So why I'm thanking them is because they want to, everything that we do is between Spare Pinecrest and Spare or Sandy Center. Yeah, so those pair, they come very handy for us. So why I'm saying before I touch base on teams, I want to thank all the people that are getting involved. Bonke nje, Tazadwe, Color Concept, Ilanga, Kanyisani Security. I want to thank all the people that are getting involved. Or Mark Engineering. There are people that are coming in for us and assisting us. I want to thank them first because it wasn't going to be possible to clinch this. I will tell you this much, Chama. For the first time, we are fully booked. But we are fully booked. I don't know if we are fully booked. I'm proud of what we have achieved this year. We are now the number of teams that I'm going to call today are 8. Okay. But we are full. You understand what I mean? So we just want to call 8. So that people can understand. We are fully booked. We are fully. So we saying we applaud the teams as well to manage to hear our call because we opened this. I remember we opened this in June to say teams can start folding out and saying. Also, Pinetown Super Cup, the main why I will explain to people so that they can understand at home. How do we scale teams to enter Pinetown Super Cup? We scale teams. The team that are developing are teams that are coming with under 11, under 13, under 16, under 19. Those teams, they take the first preference. Okay. That's how we see teams. Then we see teams that are coming with under 13, under 16, under 19. Those teams, they take a second preference. Then we have teams that are coming with under 11 or under 19. 2 teams, under 13 or under 16, vice versa. So those teams are taking the preference number 3. Then we have teams that are coming with one team only. Those teams also are taking the last preference. That's how we scale the team. That's why we're saying now we are full. So that's why we're saying only today we're going to call 8 teams that are apart. The 4 teams, we're calling them on Sunday. Is it Sunday? Are we having another show Sunday? It's we will call them on Sunday. I think probably we will call them on Sunday, but we just want to give this hyper to Abalalil. So we've got Amatimu that I will mention when you ask me which teams, but I will only I can call them all 12, but I want to call 8. Do you agree with me? Let's call 8. And then let's call 8 and wait for 4. The 4, they will get them next week. But we can call them all. It's just that we want to make sure that Nabo Pelaba Bazbuzu to Obanya team. So we've got teams that we're gonna announce, and then Bazosbon again Abuguti where Bago. But mainly it's very important to highlight and say that for the first time we Pinetown Super Cup on our 10th year anniversary. We've got a team at PSL that is coming to play. I think it's wonderful news. I think it's wonderful news. For me, I was like, are you guys really coming? Because I want the boys to measure themselves. with those boys that have been playing for this team, engizoyisho manje, so that these boys can say, I played against them, I'm better than them. Oh, I'm not. I need to go back and do well and whatnot. So we invited other people as well, and we also invite anyone who's a scout, who's what, and then come and watch these boys. Don't see the talent when the talent is old. Babone babancane. I've got a boy that I will share with the world. That boy, I believe that if he didn't play football, there are many boys, but that boy, if he didn't play football, is only 9. He's only 9. But he can play for any under 13. For any under 13, he can play. But those are boys that we see as scouts as well. That the scout comes in and you look at those points and say, no, it will happen. But only the right guidance that they make that happen. So with your call, you tell me, Masayan sounds the teams.
Hey coach, zikhala kakhulu kulokho. Yo, hey akazi coach useshilo ukuthi khona i-team ekuyi-PSL singazi-ke njengoba si-based KZN, mhlawumbe i-team yase-KZN noma i-team yakuphi noma yakuphi, but I don't know. Asibatshele noma sikabatshele ukuthi yiphi leyo team. Okay. Yeah. Yes, we should have.
Because today,
what
I will do today, because we want to make sure that everyone understands which teams. We're going to call the 12 teams. And then next week, we will then give them when the teams are starting to talk. But for today, let me call the 8 teams. And then the 12 teams, it will depend. And then now they will see. But I will call the teams and I will call the team. That team I will call last. Okay. But at under 11, at under 11, I'm calling 8 teams. Okay. Obviously, we've got Isicelo. Isicelo is going to be there. I think they are ready. I think they've started training. I think they will do well this year. I told them as well as someone that I'm favoring them. I think I'm not. But Isicelo is there. With this team, I want to team that will challenge this team, Sicelo included and everyone else. The KZN Academy has always won this cup. So this year, I want them to get it tougher and tougher. So KZN Academy has won this cup 4 times in a row. So we're saying KZN, we're coming for you. All the teams are coming. We want to see you. And if you needs be, you must do well. We love KZN so much. And all other teams, they come and display good football. We appreciate. So KZN Academy is also going to be there. Mukoro Milan from Johannesburg is also going to be there. We've got another newcomers, Action Internationals. Internationals, so we're hoping they will do well. Action also, we want them to display good football. We've got Future Stars. Future Stars, that's the 6th team. And then we've got Happy Stars. Happy Stars is also from Showe, we are not exactly Showe. What's the name of Showe? Emandeni. Yeah, they are coming from that part. Happy Stars, and then the other one will be a Selected Squad. That's the last team I will call. Selected Squad is squad less Sabafana about 9 years to 10 years. They fall back into Scelo's heart, and Scelo want them to do well. And we hope that Bazoenza kahle. Abafana was Selected Squad. We love them. They always display good football. In the first time when you started this, Abagaze Bapumema group stage. They've always gone and to Uma group stage. The first time they went to semi-finals. Last year they lost in the quarterfinals. So I'm talking about boys that are 9 years old and 10 years old. That mixture playing against under 11 boys. So it's amazing. It's amazing. It's crazy. And then go under 13. I've called 8 teams there. So I'm left with 4 teams that I'll call next week. And under 13, we've got this Sicelo Sports Skills. We've got the KZN Academy. We've got Mukoro Milan. What did I tell you about people that are coming with development? They take their first preference. So Isicelo and Mukoro, they are always there. And the academy is always there. They are coming in with a full package. So academy, ikona, Mukoro, ikona, Action again, ikona. Action Internationals. Future Kings is also there at under 13 from Mpumalanga. We've got also Future Stars. is also there from Mlazi, and then we've got Happy Hearts. Yes, ngakule team. Yes, 8. Angeka bengiseva leyo kugcina nje bengiseva leyo kugcina we've got that's a 7 team I believe. We now have to announce this team in particular because this team is a PSL team. We acknowledge them. We want the boys to learn from them. So this team, you know how AmaZulu hebe uSuthu uyayivubela impi uyayivubela shono usho ngempi usikishi uha awu ngempela madoda uSuthu nomabhesha nkomo inyoka nehlazani mabona bulawo siyabonga kakhulu kubaphathi bamaZulu. We thank them so much for allowing their boys to play in this cup, and we applaud them and we appreciate. So AmaZulu Football Club are also there as the first team to play in this cup as a PSL side. We're hoping Sundowns, we're hoping Pirates, we're hoping they will come so that these boys can learn. We always appreciate that when it happens. When then we'll acknowledge and make sure that we acknowledge it because it's important. Sometimes those guys when they come, they bring not only football, but they bring on something that is age, something that we can say, hey, this child changed because he met these guys. So we appreciate, we really do. So under 16 bantu base South Africa namaphethelo umzansi wonke under 16 kushube kakhulu kuyafika. Under 16 AmaZulu uhebe uSuthu olumabhesha nkomo ngiqala ngalo manje ade halala AmaZulu. Then AmaZulu and then we've got PJ Stars. We've got Happy Stars, sorry. Happy Stars is also there. We've got Mayville Classic. Mayville Classic, we've got Action International, that's 4. We've got Mkoro Milan. We've got the KZN Academy. We've got the Stelo Sports. The last one will be First Gate. First Gate, yase lento yase Eastern Cape, from Eastern Cape, First Gate. That's the unique about Super Cup. I told you about people that are coming from Mpumalanga. I've got someone that are coming from Goli. We've got some people that are coming from Eastern Cape right now. So can you see we're growing? So we upload. So in the other one, we also have under 19 match. Under 19. We've got a team that is coming from all the way from Bloemfontein as well. Remember, we've got people that are coming from Bloemfontein. But under 19, we've got the Stelo Sports, we've got the Mkaro Milan, we've got the Future Kings, we've got Action International, we've got the Mayville, we've got the Riverside, we've got Uhebe AmaZulu, Hebe uSuthu olumabhesha nkomo, and we've got iTime Tigers. Yase Joes, 8 Cup. Iones 8 okwamanje. So iTime Tigers, iTime Tigers, Hebe uSuthu olumabhesha nkomo. We've got the Mayville Classic, we've got the Action Academy, Action International, Future Kings, Mkoro Milan, Stelo Sport, and then lastly we've got the Future Kings. So the other 4 we will call them next week. Lalela nginichazela ukusho lento okusho ukuthini kusho ukuthi we've got South Africa almost yonke. We've got people that are coming from Bloemfontein. We've got people that are coming from Johannesburg. We've got people that are coming from so kahle iPinetown Super Cup is no longer based la sekuyinto enjani provincial kusele nje ukuthi si-upload usafa. We always appreciate ubaba uZimkhize uzama siyababonga kakhulu ubuthelezi ukuthi bayigcobe le cup, but it's no longer about us. This cup is about us uniting. What is very important about this cup ukuthi isidlala indima ukuthi ePinetown namaphethelo it gets to know. Pinetown namaphethelo, they get to understand about Pinetown. Now we bringing people to Pinetown to buy. They are leaving money here when they come here. So siyacela kumkhandlo ePinetown bake basithinte Jehova basilekelele kulento ngoba this is bigger than us. So sincenga kakhulu umasipala bonke ukuthi basilekelele. We will appreciate any assistant abangasinika yona. Sengikusho lokho on behalf of iPinetown Super Cup ezuhlalo owazi kahle ukuthi kunzima kangakanani. So we like to thank all the teams in particular all the teams, for me, I will appreciate because what they've done, it has never been done. Pinetown Super Cup be ivale on the 1st of Ubalo October. No? So on the 15th of October, Pinetown Super Cup be siqwele. So we still have teams that are on standby. We still have teams that are on standby, which means it's really growing. We're saying manje mangangenelela abanye abantu, then we can take 2 or more extra days because the Pinetown Super Cup is only playing 3 days. So if we want to cater for all these people, we need to make sure that we add 1 day extra. But we can't thank bonke labantu mase sikhohlwa yilo umuntu oyenza lento ibe possible okumdali simbonga kakhulu ukuthi ayihlanganise. Make it possible is because of God, and we're saying to people that they must support and like our page and maybe subscribe and make sure that they stay tuned, and with more news they all gonna come here. Bakhumbula abantu iPinetown Super Cup isicelo sports sindawonye ne Take Two TV. Isingisi bese ngihlula o Take Two babeshaya, but the Take Two TV Danko Diski, we're saying we together. So whatever news that they wanna get, they will get it here. iPinetown Super Cup will be broadcast here. So whatever news also uyifuna sicela subscribe so that we can have this other abantu abasebenza njengalabantu bakwazi ukuthola le recognition. These guys are working extra hard. We upload them, and I want to say thank you so much guys for giving us an opportunity. Umsebenzi uyaqala manje. Pinetown Super Cup 2025 ethu sonke wonke umuntu uvumelekile. Siyabonga kakhulu Mzansi.
Bekumsholozi ke lo siyabonga kakhulu guys, thanks for tuning in. Siphinde sidlule lapha ezitolo nathi sibonga abantu abasilekelelile guys, behind the scene crew yethu which is Push Plan Films, as you can see iyona eshaya ubuxhakaxhaka besimanje. And then siphinde sibe nabantu abafana nochule IT lapha kubaba uGcumisa is one of the people naye wafaka isandla ukuthi no guys unmoveni sibone kubhekwe ngakephi. Shout out to ABM which is area based management lapha kuMasipala eThekwini kubaba uMbonambi, as well siyakwazi ukuthi sibe neaccess of the rooftop anytime asifisa ukuthi siyo broadcastela khona. Njengoba seshile kumsholozi sibonge bonke abaxhasi abangenelela from the beginning kwisicelo to iSuper Cup, and bavumelekile ukuthi abanye basangeza cause wonke umuntu ufike adlala irole ebalekile. As you can see la singan advertisela only if you come on board, and then we discuss those things. Mhlawumbe usuvala msholoza ke sithi ama coaching clinics sizowenza on the next episode ngenxa yesikhathi. Mhlawumbe manje on your in closing mhlawumbe kuphokusele the tickets if akhona tholakala kanjani, all those things siyabonga.
Okay, iPinetown Super Cup will be happening at Kloof High School. So yonke imininingwane eminye about tickets, about how to enter, how to get there, sizowasho in due course. But ama coaching clinics, we have ama coaching clinics that are gonna be broadcast na page, whereby we've got umfana omncane ofundisayo uJunior who's gonna be in part of this show as well, because it's important that bafundiswe abantu abangangabo. So uJunior is Teach to Learn channel. Ngosiyami engicabanga esengicabanga ukuthi uJunior mangabe ezongena, will make sure that we add also add zonke izinto lezi ezibalekile. Ama coaching clinic are partly ours. We will do the coaching clinic, invite people, invite coaches, so that they can come and learn. So it's very important that we create that platform. So low platform on the next episode, Pinetown Super Cup, we'll be talking more about coaching clinic. And we want questions from our viewers. What do they want to know? This channel will not only give them we'll also give you dates of trials. We'll also give you platform of teams. We also share our winning bet. Ukuthi sicabangani uma sigeja nibuye kuthina nisitshele, but ngicela ukubanika ithi sengivala because this thing is going to be live ebusuku. Durban City against Kaizer Chiefs. So ngithi abantu abenze kanje, ngicela ubatshela le secret ngizobahlebela ngoba kuzothiwa ngithe ngicela bazi ukuthi leyo game izoba 1-1 draw. Uma ufuna i-team ezokora kuqala, i-Chiefs izokora kuqala, then i-Durban City izo equalize. kuzoba almost the I win a game kodwa it will end in a draw, whether it can be 2-2 draw, but it will be a draw. Ngiyabonga.
Sekhulumile umsholozi nake nilapha ko banibani enhlezi nicuthela ukuyobheja. Thathani ama codes code le cracking out inhlanganise nokweni iphume guys mhlambe sedlula kokugcina kunohlelo la guys webhasilekelela ingane zesikole ne but we wish ukuthi ikhule nabanye basondele next time sithengele ingane eziswele izicathulo zesikole noma ngabe ukephi ne South Africa if ingane nomuntu omnyama obonayo ukuthi sihamba ngesicathulo esinembobo commenta lana mhlambe nje singasho ukuthi mhlambe asizenze kanje msholozi asibabuza ukuthi yipi team enkulu edlala kwi PSL ezoba ikhona kwi Pinetown Super Cup. Yes, so iwona umbuzo ke lo if uphendula leyo mbuzo zobuwinela ingane yangakini noma yakho waziyo ukuthi nolenganiswe lidinga icathulo. We do have shoes, we gonna definitely do that. Siyabonga kakhulu. Cabanga useko right msholozi.
Right kakhulu and keep on watching it Danko Diski TV and asizanga ukuzokwenza we will make sure ukuthi le show iqala ibe yenu thina we're not doing any shows beside you guys, so it's very important that we acknowledge and keep on growing. Tshela omunye noma natshela omunye besikhona sisazoba khona.
Danko, this is King Shama say Danko Diski TV le shona lapha ka YouTube Take2 TV sisonke. Siyabonga.